So you guys are doing today. So today I'm gonna install a clutch pedal because I'm gonna go manual, change from manual to from transmission to manual transmission. From automatic, I'm gonna change the car to manual. So this is a clutch pedal with the bracket I'm gonna install. Now this one is not for this car exactly, but I'm gonna convert it to work. So before the conversion process started, I've got to show you that this car doesn't come with this car doesn't comes with the cutout. So you see it's blank. So I'm gonna show you how to measure it and cut it out. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a cardboard because this is the master cylinder that's gonna bolt up to the firewall. Alright, let's focus. Alright, so this part gonna come through the firewall and then bolt up. Alright, the second bolt is somewhere on the floor there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna bolt it straight like this. So what I'm gonna do, you gotta get a piece of cardboard as a little guide to work with. So I'm gonna bore a hole in the middle of this so this can fit exactly inside, and then I'm gonna get the second two, which is these two. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so this is my bit that I'm gonna use. Okay, you guys maybe have different one, but I just purchased this. I'm gonna try to use this one. So I'm gonna bore this right here for it to fit this. Okay, so I'm gonna bore it and come back. Just bore. So I'm gonna test if this is big enough. Okay. Okay. Perfect fit. I'm gonna remove this one so I can get it to fit completely. You can see. I'll turn this way so we can get the marking correct. So here we go. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get a pen and you're gonna mark right around. Okay. Then you're gonna put the screw back through the screw back right here, so you can get the exact marking for the bolt up. So mark a pen right around, put the screw back in so you can get the line up perfectly. Then you remove back the thing, you cut the edge around, and then that's it. So back when after I'm done. Here we are now, we're done now. So mark it out. These are the two you call this, these are the two holes, three. So the shorter part goes to the bottom like this. So you're gonna put it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there and then I'm gonna mark on the chassis and then I start cut. Okay, so here we are. So we're gonna mark, I'll just stick it there with some glue. So I'm gonna cut the middle and the two ends. So I'm gonna get a marker and mark those places so I can remove it from the drill. Okay. This is where I'm at now. I'm a bit off track and not in the center, but I'll fix it too. I'll fix it up. Well, it's less than 5 minutes and it's almost through. So far, the top one is done, middle, and the bottom one is almost ready. Yep. Right, so I'm running a little difficulty right here. The brake booster is in the way, so this bottom hole right here is not lining up, so I'm gonna shift this hole down to this way with my finger until I can turn on some light. Alright, I don't think the light is the best. Yeah. So see, that one is lined up right there, but the bottom one is not. The bottom one need to shift to the there, so this one's a bit off. Need to come to this side because the booster is stopping it from lining up. Okay, alright, so that's that. Install is done, finish. That's it. Okay, here we go. Done.